Configuring the graphics settings in PUBG can enhance your gaming experience by optimizing performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Open the game. Launch PUBG on your device. Once the game is loaded, navigate to the main menu where you can access the settings. Step 2. Access Settings menu. Click on the gear icon or settings option usually located in the lower right corner of the main menu. This will open the settings interface where you can adjust various game options. Step 3. Select Graphics Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Graphics tab. This section contains all the visual settings that you can modify to improve performance or enhance graphics quality. Step 4. Adjust graphics options. Review the available options such as resolution, texture quality, anti-aliasing, and shadows. Adjust these settings based on your hardware capabilities and personal preference. Those settings can improve performance on less powerful systems. Step 5. Save and test. After making your adjustments, click on the Apply or Save button to confirm your changes. Start a game to test how the new settings affect performance and visuals, and make further adjustments if necessary. By following these steps, you can optimize your PUBG graphics settings for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your game.